Hey bird enthusiasts, welcome to my new channel, the Avian Kingdom, brought to you by Megan. I also run Nocturnal Haven 2.0, but this is my main channel about birds because I like birds. So that's going to be the topic of this YouTube channel. And I'm really hoping it goes far. I thought we'd dive into talking about why birds make good pets and why it may or may not work for you, depending on the circumstances. Birds are great pets because they provide companionship to those who are lonely. And another great thing about them is if your apartment building does not allow cats or dogs, that does not include birds, so you can probably, as long as you talk it through with your landlord person who runs the place, they might let you have a bird anyways, even if you can't have a cat or dog. They're very smart. You can teach them how to do tricks. They can talk through a organ called a pharynx, which is in their lungs that makes them able to make two sounds at once. Basically, it's like a double voice box. It's like our voice box. That's how birds are able to talk, in case you didn't know. There is a plethora of different birds. There are crows, there's ravens, there's African gray parrots, there is macaws, there are lovebirds, cockatiels, parakeets, budgies, hyacinth, Quaker parrots, Indian ringnecks. The list goes on and on. Lovebirds are known and loved for their lovable behavior, hence the name. Although I heard they're called lovebirds because they hump everything. But yeah, that's how it is. So I like their wings. I like how they can fly. I want a bird myself, actually. And once I do, I thought I'd, make a YouTube channel about that. And then get a rescue. So I thought I'd make a channel about birds, where I can show off my bird when I get one. So that's my story. I want a bird because I'm lonely. I want someone to talk to. And I really like making videos about birds. So, yeah, I don't know if this counts as a channel trailer, but welcome to the channel.